So here's POLY.AI app. Let's just check it out. It's getting a lot of good reviews recently. Um, our app revolutionizes the way we interact with AI chatbots. With our advanced technology, our chatbots think and reply like real characters, complete with authentic voices. You can choose from a massive selection of characters, each with their own unique voice and personality. Whether you're chatting with your favorite celebrity or beloved character, you will feel like you're talking to a real person. With a magical mode, you no longer have to face dead end in conversations. Users from all over the world can create mods to enter a whole new story with their beloved characters. Character creation, unlimited free messages. So yeah, it's this app is you can see is getting in top 100 apps already in entertainment in US. So let's just open it up, and then you can just swipe like this, and then this app kind of looks like a, very similar to Talkie AI app, or very similar um, to like Linky Chat or some. And there are a lot of annoying ads in this app as well in the free version. So then you can also create your own character, and then you can chat with it. Then there is your wall, like just like a kind of Facebook feed, Instagram feed, and then there is like your account. If you want, you can upgrade to premium. It's like $20 per month. It's quite expensive. $200 per year, quite expensive. But there is also like a standard option, $10 per month and $100 per year. So then, yeah, you just have that, and then you can enable to automatically play voice. However, for that you need to upgrade again, and then there are your settings. If you're not happy, you can always go and delete your account here. If you want to get more coins, you can just watch ad, and then you will need to purchase these coins. So yep, that's basically the idea here. As you can see, then there is just chats, and then you just keep chatting. So as you can see, the thing is like, unless you upgrade, this app is not really different from like from Talkie or from this or Linky Chat or whatever. Here you just have it. There is chats. You can delete chats. You can save them to memory. There is like a mod where you just create a moderator, and then just to continue conversations. And then there are events, create exclusive memory scenes between you and this character. So yeah, that's the app in a nutshell. Yeah, if you're looking for some alternatives for like Talkie app or character AI app, that's the app you can consider here.